Hi, I want to tell you about Intuit Check Solution, which is an electronic way to receive check payments. What's great about Intuit Check Solution, in my opinion, are two things. One, it's extremely easy to use. In fact, you won't believe it. I'll tell you about it in just a minute. And the other is that it's integrated with QuickBooks. So when you go into a receive payment transaction, you select the type of payment of e-check. And then, to show you how it works, you simply enter the routing and account number of the client's customer account, bank account, and you're able to process that payment, ACH debit, with your client's consent, of course, cheaper than mailing the check to the bank. So there's two things. There's a money savings, but that's pretty nominal because it doesn't cost very much to mail checks to banks. But even with that, as a sole proprietor, I was spending more in postage to mail payments to the bank than I do now with Intuit Check Solution. So it is cheaper. But I think the bigger issue in terms of benefits to Intuit Check Solution is that it saves you time. If you're going to the bank or if you're mailing payments to the bank, you don't have to wait for those payments to be processed, and you don't have to pay somebody to enter the transaction, create the deposit slip, and all of the hoopla around getting payments to the bank. All of this is electronic, it's ACH debit, and it's in your account the next day. So I think you should try Intuit Check Solution as an electronic way to receive what would otherwise be check payments, so that it's faster and easier for you to get paid. So I hope you try it out and recommend it to your clients.